Good morning. It's wet. It's dark.
It's cold.
It's cold.
It's early.
It's fall in the Pacific Northwest. Yeah, it's early. And we're not that accustomed. Whoa, the lights totally went out. Okay, we're heading to see Tyler and take him to his chemo appointment. So that's what we're doing today. Hello.
Time for an update.
Yeah, we thought it would be time for an update. We know some of you have been asking how Tyler is doing with his cancer journey. And yesterday we drove in the dark into Portland to pick him up and take him to his chemotherapy appointment. And after that appointment, he now only has one treatment left.
It's been a long 5 months. So for those that don't know, he's had stage 4 lymphoma, and so we've been going through this journey since, well,
early June.
Yeah, but
I mean, that's when you started treatment, I think.
That's when treatment started, but the journey has been since like February.
April. Well, yeah, it's been ongoing. Surgeries and things. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but chemo started in,
I think, late May, early June.
Yeah, anyway, 5 months ago we started chemo. So basically for his treatment is they're going to just hammer him with chemo for 6 months straight, a lot of meds, and because of some of the meds he's on, they can't do any scans to see what kind of progress they're making. Basically with what he has, they hammer it hard, everything they got for 6 months.
Yeah.
And then they wait a while for the meds to clear and then a test.
Yeah.
So he's had 5 straight months of chemo. I don't wish it on anyone. It's brutal.
Yeah.
He's been amazing. He's been strong.
Yep.
He's been doing so well.
A lot of ups and downs, and he's gonna finish strong. So
yeah, so much support from so many people.
Yeah.
It's been amazing.
So he'll have one more treatment in November.
In 2 weeks.
And then they will wait at least 4 weeks before they test. So by Christmas, we're hoping we have results and that they are the all clear that we've all been hoping for.
So for our update is once the weather started to turn, it was no long during this process. We take him to chemo sometimes. We're there. We do whatever we can do, or to be part of the process. But for the last 5 months, we take off for 3 or 4 days, come back. Mm-hmm. We've been moving around to Olympic National Park. But now the weather's changed. It's not good.
It's not as fun. I mean, we're fair weather people. You guys know that.
It's been like high 40s and rain most of the time.
Yeah, recently. Yeah.
So we have decided recently that we are going to stay in an RV park, which is not something we typically do.
No.
But, I mean, we have for a night or two, but we actually are now monthly residents of an RV park.
Yeah. And
it's not too far from where Tyler and his treatments are.
But far enough out of the city, so we're not like in the city,
right.
Which is nice.
There's a gym nearby, so we've re-upped our Planet Fitness membership we had years ago, and doing that every day. And everything we need is right here. So we're going to be here until middle of next month, which no matter what, we're done with here.
Yeah, we it's funny because we've never done a monthly rental in a park before, so you have to fill out a whole application like you're renting an apartment. Like then you have tenant laws, and you have to sign what am I trying to say? When you're going to leave, you have to give them X amount of days notice. So
And they require, what Washington requires is you have to give written notice here, and the Washington rule is 20 days?
20 days before the month you're leaving. So we're leaving towards the end of December, but we have to give them notice by November 10th. Even though it's over a month away that we're leaving. Anyway. Tenant laws apply now, so. I never thought we'd be tenants in an RV park. There's a lot of firsts that have happened this year.
So it's very interesting to be very stationary. We get up, we do our morning routine, we go to the gym, we go to the grocery store, we walk the Pistol in the rain, come back. So it's been kind of Groundhog's Day. We'll have to show a video next week of just kind of the Groundhog Day of an RV park life.
Yeah. Yeah, but we are where we need to be, of course, and we're all looking forward to this journey coming to an end. So hopefully by the end of the year we'll have some closure and we'll start off 2025 with a bang. I can't believe 2025. It doesn't even make sense to my brain that that's the year we're going into, but it's coming.
Yeah. We're definitely looking forward to, I especially, I'm definitely looking forward to getting to warmer weather.
Oh yeah.
This is where they invented TVs and treadmills, I think.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. But we hope you all are doing well. We just wanted to hop on here with a quick update. Kind of let you know what our future is looking like in the near future. And of course, we'll keep you updated on Tyler. Like we mentioned, one more treatment left. He's going to ring that bell. And
yeah,
then...
so in the oncology area of the hospital where he gets his chemo infusions, there's a whole bunch of chairs in this room with all the people going through chemo at the same time. But it's pretty overwhelming and amazing. That the doctors and nurses are phenomenal there. But to see all these people going through this chemo at the same time, and people from their 20s to their probably 80s, I mean, it's just all types of people in there, and it's interesting. But only one of us can be in with him at a time, and there's masks required because everyone's immune system's
compromised.
So but on the next treatment day, we all get to be in there when it's over, and he gets to ring the I've finished the treatment bell. So we're probably going to film that.
Yeah.
So anyway.
Yeah, we'll share that with you as soon as it happens.
50 Pistol. You can't go in because the masks don't fit you.
She's not going to go in.
Yeah.
No. So that's what's happening in our little world. We hope everyone out there is doing well and staying healthy, and we will talk to you very soon. Carry on.
Carry on. Thanks for watching.
And a very special thank you to our patrons for supporting our channel. Join us over on Patreon for extra videos and more content. Check out our website or Amazon for our pistol book. Carry on.
Carry on.